Our TLS co-host Token Lizares was one of the 4 outstanding Bacoleños honored recently by the city of Bacolod. Token, dubbed as the Charity Diva of Negros Occidental, was recognized for her charity works for the sick, poor, and the needy. 4 Banwahanon Awardees were recognized for their valuable contribution to the community during the city's 85th charter anniversary at El Fisher Hotel. The other awardees were businessman Willie Au, Ian Manuel Law, and Benjamin Lopez Jr.